Why does Rigathi Gachagua want to be president? I don't want to promise you lies that I'll build roads, I'll build dams, I'll connect electricity. Those are lies. The country is almost broke. We have a debt of 12 trillion. So telling people I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do that, ni uongo. Mchungaji umesema I'm a truthful man. If Kenyans elect me as president, Mungu akikubali, I don't want to promise lies to the people of Kenya. I want to do only one thing, to restore the Kenyan state to where Mwai Kibaki left us. And few things we want to do only. Make sure we restore our health system, that when you go to hospital, there are drugs. Restore NHIF so that when you have a card and you go to hospital, you are treated and you go home. Restore the education system, free primary education that Mwai Kibaki gave us. Make sure we restore the university financing model so that our children can get education, which is an equalizer. Rigathi Gachagua wants to restore the dignity of the payslip. Most of you here who have a payslip, it has been raided and you have no purchasing power. That is why Kenyans are in trouble. Rigathi Gachagua will restore the dignity of the payslip by scrapping the first day the housing levy and handing over all those houses to the county government to manage them, collect rent, and pay back all those whose money was deducted. Rigathi Gachagua will make sure there are no abductions and extrajudicial killings. He will rescind the order by Murkomen of shoot to kill. Rigathi Gachagua will also rescind the order by William Ruto that people should be shot on the leg. Those are the few things we want to do. We want to restore our security. Parish Minister, Nairobi at 6:30 p.m. You can't walk around. Gangs with knives are robbing people in broad daylight. They are all over. There is no security in the country because these gangs were used to do politics. And when politics are over, they have to make a living. So they are all over. Those gangs will be dismantled and security restored. You saw a few days ago, a lawyer, my neighbor in Karen, was shot 8 times by professional killers. People are so scared in the country. You don't know who has been paid to assassinate you. These motorbikes now are worrisome. Anytime anybody now see a motorbike following your car, you shiver, isn't it? Because you don't know, is that motorbike carrying an assassin? And when you look at the way that great lawyer was killed, those are professionals. Those are not just ordinary people. They shot him in the head to make sure he's dead and dead. So these are things that I want to do.